Hello friends, welcome to my kitchen. Today I've come up with making a tasty and restaurant style fried rice. It's very easy to make and you can impress your guests with this dish. The ingredients in this recipe make it a very healthy dish for everyone having it. So let's start our cooking. Initially we need to fry eggs to fluffy and keep it aside. For that I'm heating the oil in a wok. In order to get the contrast colors of the egg yolk and white, I don't beat the eggs separately, but instead will break the eggs one by one. Now sprinkle some salt, white pepper powder, add some chopped spring onions. Now scramble these and fry into a fluffy and keep it aside. Now I'm going to use the same wok for the next stage as well. For that I have used the same wok, added some oil, and once it's hot, I'm going to add chopped garlic. Fry it for a minute until you get a good aroma. Now add chopped spring onions. Saute for about half a minute. Now I am going to add chopped carrots, again I am going to saute it for about a couple of minutes. Once the carrot has been sauteed, I'll add beans, which is thinly sliced. Saute it again for about a minute. Now you can add white pepper powder, salt, and add 1 teaspoon of sugar. This will enhance the taste of the dish. Now I am going to add cooked rice, which I have cooked for about 90%, drained and cooled. You can see the rice is not at all soggy. Now give it a good mix. Add soy sauce and mix well again. As I told you, spring onions are being added at different stages. So I added now little more spring onion, giving it a mix. Finally going to add scrambled eggs, again spring onions, and will give it a good mix. Now you can serve hot, garnishing with spring onions. Yes, now your delicious, colorful fried rice is ready.